Can you use Fliki AI Premium for free? Here's the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be answering a big question. Is it possible to use Fliki AI Premium for free? Let's dive in and find out. Step 1. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. Tap on the search bar and type Fliki AI to find the official website. Step 2. Check the pricing plans. Once on the homepage, tap on the Pricing tab. Scroll down to see the different subscription plans available. Step 3. Is there a free premium option? Fliki AI offers a free plan, but premium features are only available in paid plans. Unfortunately, there is no free trial for the premium version. If you're looking for advanced features without paying, you might want to explore alternative AI tools. Final verdict: can you use Fliki AI Premium for free? No, premium access requires a paid subscription. However, the free plan still offers some useful features, so you can try it out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. See you in the next one.